Follow me.
Bawal kayo dyan. Unless nagbabalak kayo na sumalis para mag-gate crash sa party.
You look familiar. Ikaw ba yung nag-save doon sa stepsister ko nung muntik na siyang mahulog sa bangin?
Ah, yung crazy girl na umaway sa akin sa ospital. Yeah, that's me. Ba't hindi niyo siya kasama ngayon?
Oh my God, she doesn't fit in this kind of place. Tsaka masisira lang yung party. Anyways, I'm Angela and this is my BFF, Brandy.
Hi.
And what's your name again?
Drew.
Drew. Mom Drew, baka naman you can help us get inside. Kasi I think Naomi just got super busy and nakalimutan niyang isend sa amin yung invitation. But don't worry ha, we're besties, no cap.
Kung mag-best friend kayo, why don't you just send her a text?
Eh kasi nga, maybe she's busy na inside, baka tipsy na rin yun, and I don't want to disturb her. So, since you're here, baka naman, you know, you can do us a favor. Pretty please.
Alam mo kung hindi ka lang mat, hindi kita pagbibigyan. You guys coming or not?
Ah, yes,
yeah.
coming.
Sama ko siya.
Sure. Ano? Kumusta? Kaya ba tayo dito?
Excuse me.